Welcome back to STL TV Live. I'm Danielle Scruggs. Now joining me in the studio are Molina Healthcare's Managers of Community Outreach, Iris Gardine, and Medical Director, Dr. Michael Siegel. How are you all today?
Great.
Good, how are you?
Great.
Good. Can you tell me or give an overview of Molina Healthcare?
Sure. Molina Healthcare is one of the Mo Health Net plans offered in the state of Missouri to low-income families, pregnant women, and children. And we are proud to offer those services. We have wonderful programs for our members, such as our Motherhood Matters program, where we take care of our pregnant moms, and our Dr. Cool Cat Club for kids.
Dr. Cool Cat.
Yes,
I like that.
Dr. Cool Cat Club.
I like that. And February is a very special month. Can you tell us why?
Well, February is not only Valentine's Day month, but it's Heart Health Month. And we know that in this country, the #1 cause of death is heart disease. So focusing on how we can take better care of ourselves is very important.
Okay.
So this month is for that purpose.
Alrighty. Now, who's most at risk for heart disease?
Well, a lot of heart disease is caused by our lifestyle. So those people who are overweight, who eat high fatty foods, who don't exercise, these are major contributors to our heart disease.
Oh. Now, I know as a result of Heart Health Month, you have a program coming up. Can you tell me about that?
Yes, well, we have our Community Champions program. It will be held on March the 29th. And this award was created to celebrate the unseen heroes in the community in honor of our founder, Dr. C. David Molina. And what we do for the community is we allow the community to nominate volunteers, civic leaders, people that represent selfless acts in their normal everyday lives that go above and beyond to provide service to others. Nominations can be found on your website at STLTV today, or STLTV 10. You can download them there, and you can nominate someone in your community that actually go above and beyond. Once the person is nominated and our champions are actually selected, each champion will receive a grant for $1,000 to donate to the agency of their choice.
Wow. Now, some of the kids and adults participating, do you have advice for them on how to stay heart healthy?
Well, as adults, we're examples to our kids, so it's really important that in our family lives, they see our habits and try and mirror those. So that means when you go to the grocery store, you try and stay on the aisles on the outside that generally have the fruits, vegetables, the whole grain, breads, dairy products. In addition to that, you try and create an expectation that every day you're going to be out there exercising in some way. And for kids especially, it's important to limit their screen time. And the recommendation from the American Academy of Pediatrics is to have no more than 2 hours a day, which means TV and time on your computer or whatever.
All inclusive.
All inclusive,
Okay.
right. No more than 2 hours a day.
No more than 2 hours a day.
Yeah,
Some kids are going to be mad, but you have to get out there and ride that bike or do some jumping jacks to make yourself stay healthy.
You know, it's like cod liver oil, you know, it's for your own good.
Old school remedies. Alrighty, now tell me a little bit about how you choose, other than the nominations, for the community outreach.
Well, actually, the champions are selected by their peers. Other community leaders are on our selection committee. And once the nomination forms come in, we have a meeting, and they are all selected by their peers. This year, we will hold the event on March the 29th at the New Northside Community Center. So it's right there in the heart of St. Louis City, and we encourage everyone that works with individuals that go above and beyond to go to your website, download the nomination form, and get it into Molina today. We are very excited about completing the mission of Dr. C. David Molina and celebrating our unseen heroes.
All right, that sounds very, very exciting. Now, what else do you do throughout the year at Molina?
Wow, throughout the year we have wonderful activities and programs at Molina Healthcare. We present to, this month is not only Heart Month, but it's National Dental Month, and we'll be in the schools educating the kids on how to properly brush their teeth, and each child will receive a goodie bag with a toothbrush, a toothpaste, and a door hanger. And if you would like a presentation at your school or church or organization, please feel free to contact Molina Healthcare. We would like to come out and provide that for you. We also have several activities throughout the year where we promote healthy eating and exercise. So just look for our back to school health fairs coming up in the summertime.
Okay.
We promote childhood obesity by participating with the Michelle Obama's Let's Move Act. We have an event coming up on Saturday, this February the 11th, so we're excited about that. We are always out and about in the community, so I encourage everyone to keep a close watch on our website. We'll be posting events daily, and we have a lot of wonderful events coming up this year.
Now you're going to tell us more about some of the other events and more on the common risk factors and symptoms of heart disease once we take a break. Don't you all go anywhere. We'll have more with Iris and Michael when we return. Remember, to keep up with STL TV and all of the great events going on around St. Louis, friend us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you can always watch us streaming live on STLTV.net. We're back with more after this.